Cool. Welcome into this video. I would like to take you through how you can fix problem of blue ticks no longer showing in your WhatsApp. So technically what you're supposed to do, you need to check something we refer to as read receipt. So just click this three dotted icon in the upper right hand side of your WhatsApp, then get into your WhatsApp settings, then get where we have privacy. Then in most cases, when you cannot be able to see blue ticks in WhatsApp, this seems like you have turned off your read receipt. You need to turn it on. And when you turn it on in this normal right WhatsApp or Meta WhatsApp, you can easily be able to see blue ticks in WhatsApp. If the problem is persisting, what you can try and do after enabling these settings, what you can try and do is just get to where you have the WhatsApp app, click above it, then get into the application information, then try to click where we have storage and coach. You can try it and clear some coach, and when you clear these coaches, in most cases these settings will be updated and you can partially solve this problem. And this is how we usually deal with no blue ticks in WhatsApp. Technically, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to give the video a thumb up and also to hit the subscribe button so that you never miss out any of our future learning content like this. Thank you and God bless you.